What's up, y'all? We back again. The 5th annual CBN Conference 2026. That's right, the Clean Biz Network Conference is back again. I know I said we wouldn't have a conference this year, but guess what? We doing it anyway because the people ask and I deliver. So come on, join us October 8th and 9th here in Jacksonville, Florida for the 5th annual Clean Biz Network Conference. And let me tell you why you need to be in the building. All right, now I had to bring y'all inside because guess what? We in Jacksonville, Florida, and it's nice and sunny and it's hot. And even in October, it'll still be warm here. That's why I wanted to bring you guys down here to my home city and let y'all come and celebrate the cleaning industry with us. And join us. It's not just going to be me, AJ Simmons, the Cleaning Business GOAT, but we'll also have big names from the industry like Carolyn Arellano, Tenacity Academy, Tenacity Clean with Miss Tamika and Miss Katrina. We're also going to have our keynote speaker, Jason Lee, guys like Ricky Regalado. We have people like Sherman Lewis, the Automation King. We have people like Tony Williams, people like Brandon Orr. The list goes on and on. So make sure you are in the building. If you looked behind me, we're going to have this whole hallway filled with vendors. Then I'm not just talking about any type of vendor. These are going to be vendors who are relevant to you. Vendors like Imperial Brady, formerly known as Imperial Dade, who will provide you with some of the best cleaning supplies that's possibly available to you. We also got vendors like ADP, who offer the best in class with payroll services. We have some of the best industry experts coming out, y'all, so make sure you are in the building. I want you to take a look here in this facility. This is where we will be, okay? This is just a third of the area. And so we're gonna have this whole conference room, you guys, where we're gonna take all 3 sections of their conference room. So we will take this section and open it up 3 times back. So we have hundreds of different cleaning business entrepreneurs all in the building, coming eager to learn, network, and build together and celebrate together, because that's what the CBN conference is all about. We're all about celebrating the cleaning industry, and this year's theme is closing the year with clarity. We want to lead off. The end of the year is going to be October. We're going to close this year out the way we need to close it, with clarity. And don't forget to bring the kids. Listen, here at the CBN conference, this is a family event. While we're here to talk business and grow together and network, but as you know, I'm a family man, so I always bring my kids every year, and I invite you to bring your kids as well. If you can see behind us, we have the pool out here. The kids can come out and enjoy. We also have a professional daycare company on standby where you can pay by the hour called Kids Park. And you can register your kids there as well. Once you purchase your ticket, the information to sign up for that will be on that thank you page. But it's here in Jacksonville, Florida. Nice and sunny out here, so the pool will be available. You guys don't have to worry about the fact that it's October. Here in Florida, it's still sunny. So come on down. You know at the CBN conference, we gotta have us some fun. So for those who like to have fun the way I like to have fun, we clearly have the bar here available for you guys as well. Now, if you like losing, come see me on this pool table. Or if you like winning, come see me on this pool table, because clearly I'm not that good. But as you can see, we're here to have fun. So this is your sign to be in the building, October 8th and 9th here in Jacksonville, Florida at the 5th annual Clean Biz Network Conference, y'all. Go to www.cbnconference.com and get your tickets. We're gonna have a live DJ throughout the event. We're gonna have an amazing host, Ms. Angel Shackelford. We're gonna have panels, the Big Dog panel with our multimillionaires in the cleaning industry. We're gonna have the 1010 panel with all of our 1010 coaches on there. I myself, the Cleaning Business GOAT, will be a keynote speaker. We have Jason Lee, a legend in the cleaning industry, another keynote speaker here. Network with amazing people. Meet people who've been exactly where you've been. Learn from their testimonies and their stories. Build real life-lasting friendships. Find subcontracting opportunities. Find people who can subcontract for you. Find commercial cleaning opportunities. Find residential cleaning opportunities. Whatever you're looking for is going to be in this building right here. You do not want to miss it. So again, make sure you visit www.cbnconference.com and get your tickets today before they sell out. See you this October in Jacksonville. Talk to you soon.